Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a TV series Batmobile from Hot Wheels. I'm going to open it up and let you guys take a closer look. So here it is, the Hot Wheels TV series Batmobile. As you can see, it is painted in a nice shiny black with red bat symbols on the hood and on the door. It has some chrome wheels and red highlights across the body, and you can see the clear plastic double bubble on it. So what do you think? Does it look and resemble the TV series Batmobile? So this is from the rear part of the TV series Batmobile. It has good detail. The paint is very shiny and reflective. You can see 3 exhaust pipes right behind the bubbles, which they should be painted in silver, shouldn't they? I mean, it's red. It doesn't really make that much sense. But overall, it looks pretty nice from this angle. Now let's take a look at the TV Batmobile flying overhead. You can see some silverish blue racing stripes, which is kind of hidden in the paint, which is pretty neat. And there are those red smoke pipes again. So that was the 2020 TV series Batmobile. Now, if you're looking for this Batmobile or any other kind of Batmobile, I left a link below in the video description to a general search of Batmobiles on Amazon. So you can click on the link if you're looking for any of those.